I'm Rob Cairns, the CEO and Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas at StunningDigitalMarketing.com. I hope you're all having a good day. This podcast is brought to you by StunningDigitalMarketing.com. We are industry leaders in digital marketing and WordPress security issues. Our success is your success. Today I thought I'd talk about some things that bother me on the online world, the internet. Don't get me wrong, it's not all bad. Frankly, many of it's good. But there's a lot of things we as individuals can do better. And I thought I'd share those with you so we can learn. I love to help people, and my agency loves to educate people. We thrive on it. One thing I'll say is people need to stop being lazy. As part of solving an issue or problem, do a Google search first. Take the time to try and help yourself. Google is your friend. All Facebook groups need to remind people that they can do a Google search first and then ask later. This actually shows that the individual who has the problem really wants to solve their issue and cares about their own problem. If someone does not want to do at least the basics, do you think they care about the issue in hand? Probably not. Think about it hard. The second biggest pet peeve I have is that people keep saying my SEO sucks and they need to change my SEO plugin. Frankly, SEO plugins are just a tool. They'll even go so far as to say, I have Yoast and I don't have 3 green traffic lights, and it goes on. The reality is SEO is a tool, as I mentioned, and if you're having SEO issues, you're having other problems. For example, did you do keyword research? Did you do competitors research? Did you research how to get good backlinks? Did you do proper SEO for your pictures and so on? The point I'm making is if you don't have an understanding of how to do proper SEO, it doesn't matter which tool you use, garbage in, garbage out, and principles matter more. Pet peeve number 3 is the old standby. Who is my favorite web host question? My agency is very partial to SiteGround, but there are many other good hosts such as Kinesta, Cloudways, Liquid Web, WP Engine, and more. I would personally stay away from the following: GoDaddy, anything EIG owns, oneandone.com, or any really, really cheap hosting. There was a story that broke over the weekend about 20 cheap hosts all shutting down without 48 hours notice. And frankly, it looked like a bit of a scam. While we're talking about hosting, some of the things to consider are following. Space the host allows you to have, how many websites on a plan, the type of hosting, shared VPS or dedicated, and I'll talk about this in a future edition of the SDM show. The host firewall and security protection. Yes, your host is part of your security solution. The type of support, phone, chat, email, availability of support 24/7, 5 days, and so on. The fourth thing that really bothers me is we've created an entire generation of people who do not read news stories. They only read headlines. Before this, we created a generation of airline magazine person. They read condensed articles and thought they were experts. Now people are all experts on the headlines. Marketers, take note. This shows you headlines matter more than ever. Let me give an example of this. The Toronto Star posts an article about an event. The headline draws the reaction on Facebook. You know, if you have read the article, that half the comments are for people who only read the headline and nothing more. And it starts a big disagreement and a bun fight. Frankly, we're all really developing a bit of a lazy society, so actually read the articles, folks. The fifth big issue I have is people who do not respect each other for their opinions online. I've seen it time and time again. And frankly, the medium doesn't matter. Before social media, it was internet relay chat, it was forums, it was so on. It's always happened. Let's just take the time to respect each other, make society a better place. We don't have to agree, but show some respect. The sixth issue is people complaining about Facebook using their data. Folks, the cost of admission to play on Facebook is your data, and there's no financial cost to you. And if you really don't like this, then get off Facebook, get off Instagram. Get off WhatsApp. They own all 3. Stop complaining about it, as it's not going to change. And frankly, it's time to stop it and maybe think about, do we need to go to some paid solutions and some paid forums? And people would say, well, I don't want to do that. The internet's free. But you pay for streaming services, don't you? So why not pay for an ad-free based service? Just food for thought. On the web, it actually takes time to promote your business. Nothing happens immediate. Sometimes things go well and sometimes things don't go well. Most business owners learn from their mistakes and the great people around them. Don't hold back. Try things. Try and better your business. I use a slogan which I've stolen from Nike. It's their slogan called Just Do It. And I really believe that. Just get it done. And my good friend Kim Doyle, who runs the Content Creators Group and many other things and has been around WordPress and the internet a long time, she has a slogan that says just show up and show up every day. And I so agree with Kim on that one. That's why I give her a shout out in this podcast is do it and show up. Please do not think the web, internet, and social media are all bad. It's not what I want to convey. What I really want to outline is the issues going on so that as users, we can get better, respect each other better, and make it a better place. And that's what I really care about. So let's take this as a learning opportunity, and please learn with me. And let's keep helping each other out. In the next episode of the SDM show, I'm going to talk about things I like most about the internet and the online world. As always, thanks for joining me today, and I love you all. Take care of yourselves and be good to each other. Thank you for listening to the SDM show. This show is hosted by Robert Cairns, the CEO and Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas at StunningDigitalMarketing.com. This podcast comes out every week. It's available on all podcast platforms. If you'd like to be a guest on this podcast, please email us at podcast@StunningDigitalMarketing.com. If you'd like some free marketing information to your inbox, please go to StunningDigitalMarketing.com/free. If you'd like to find out more about the digital marketing services we provide, please go to our website at StunningDigitalMarketing.com. We specialize in helping your business succeed. This podcast is dedicated to Robert's late father, Bruce Cairns. Have an amazing week. Keep your feet on the ground and keep reaching for the stars. Make your business succeed.